Hello guys. Today we need to know about types of banks in India. First of all, the banks are different types in India. In India, the banking structure is we know that the Reserve Bank is a central bank of India. In this, we can subdivide it into scheduled banks and non-scheduled banks. In the scheduled banks, we have a commercial banks and cooperative banks. In the commercial banks, we have a public sector banks, private sector banks, foreign banks, and regional rural banks. In the cooperative banks, we have a state cooperative banks and urban cooperative banks. In the public sector banks, we have a nationalized banks and SBI and associated banks. First of all, we know the RBI. The RBI is as an apex bank in India. It is a central bank for the government of India, and also it can issue currency notes and regulates banks and give direction to the government of India in the relation to the matter of economic situations. And it can also has a central bank for the international stage in terms of India. In scheduled banks, the scheduled banks are those banks which are included in the second schedule of RBI Act 1934. The RBI in terms includes those banks which satisfy some criteria, that is in the section 42 of the RBI Act 1934. Scheduled banks are those banks that minimum paid up capital is 5 lakhs and the interest of the depositors. It cannot harm interest of the depositors. For examples, HDFC Bank, SBI, and ICICI. These are the some examples of scheduled banks. Non-scheduled banks. The non-scheduled banks are, by definition, we have known that which are not included in the RBI Act 1934 of the second schedule. These banks have less than 5 lakh of capitals. For example, the non-scheduled banks are Coastal Local Area Bank Limited, Capital Local Area Bank Limited, and Krishna Bhima Samruddhi Local Area Bank Limited, Subhadra Local Area Bank Limited. These are some examples of non-scheduled banks. In the scheduled banks, we have subdivided into four banks. That is, first one is commercial banks. This refers to the check, checking account services, make various loans and offers, and the commercial banks offers basic financial products like certificate of deposit, saving accounts to individuals and small businesses. These are public sector banks, foreign banks, and regional rural banks, and private sector banks. These all are the commercial banks. The commercial term we refer to the financial institutions to accept deposits and offers checking account services. In the scheduled banks, they have four types. The second one is cooperative banks. In the cooperative bankings, it is a retail and commercial banking in the cooperative basis. In the cooperative banking institution takes deposits and lends money in most part of the world. For example, Punjab and Maharashtra Cooperative Bank Limited, which are in cooperative basis, which are not like the public sector banks, but they are in a cooperative manner. This is these all the banks which are included in the scheduled banks and non-scheduled banks. So these all the terms we have discussed in the topic. So thank you guys.